So you have learned that we use npm start to start our application. This will give us a development build which is not optimized because the JavaScript bundle that it generates includes additional code that helps us debug our application. But when we deploy our application to production, we don't want all that extra code. We want an optimized production build. To get that, we run npm run build. So this is going to create an optimized production build. It's going to take a few seconds, so I'm going to pause the recording. Now in our project, we have this new folder, build. This is our optimized production build. And you can basically get the content of this folder and send it to your web server using FTP or any other tools. Starting from the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to deploy this application to Heroku, which is an amazing cloud service. Now, back in the terminal, here you can see this message. The build folder is ready to be deployed. To test this on your machine, you can install this npm package serve. This is a simple, lightweight web server. And with this command, you can serve the content of the build folder. Let me show you real quick. So npm install -g for global serve. And if you're on Mac and you haven't configured permissions properly, you should prefix this with sudo. Okay, I've installed serve. Now we can serve our production build using this command, serve-s build, which is the target folder. So this is serving our application at localhost port 5000. Now here in the browser, let's head over to localhost port 5000. Open up the console. Note that Superman is undefined. This is because we did not set a value for this environment variable for the production environment. We set this only in the development environment. So as I explained in the last lecture, during the build time, these expressions that reference an environment variable are replaced with the value of that environment variable. So when we run our application using npm start, we get the development environment variables. And when we build it using npm run build, we get the production environment variables. We also have npm test for running tests. And when we execute this command, our test environment variables will be used during the build time.